This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying eligibility and freeing system space. You need the same platform account used for the main Dead by Daylight copy. Link it and confirm age. Once done, clear at least 20 to 30 gigabytes and enable updates. Make sure system firmware and store region match the PTB requirements because mismatches block access. Next, prepare to opt into the public test build via the platform's beta or program menu. We'll move to exact enrollment in the next step. Now enroll in the PTB. On console, open the Game Tiles options, find Manage Game or Betas, and select the public test build entry. Accept any legal prompts. Once enrolled, choose your installed drive and start the download. While downloading, check your NAT and background apps to avoid interruptions. After install, launch the PTB once to trigger updates and integrity checks. Make sure mods or overlays aren't interfering, because they can prevent the PTB from launching properly. Finish by launching the PTB and confirming you can access test lobbies and settings. If prompted, migrate or create a test save. This keeps your live save intact. If the build fails to start, clear the console cache, power cycle the console, then reinstall the PTB or opt out and re-enroll. That resolves most issues. If problems persist, collect logs, note timestamps, then submit a bug report through the in-game reporting tool so developers can reproduce and fix it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.